Well, it finally arrived. This $3.75 clip has held me up for 5 days of putting the transmission back together. But in hindsight, knowing that I was going to have to take this clip out, I should have ordered another one to begin with, so it's nobody's fault but my own. So now I can put the transmission back together. Yay! Later. Well, my brother's got the passenger floor welded in. Got the bottom all spot welded in now. He's got the back welded in. And that sound you hear is his sandblaster over there. He's now sandblasting the prop shaft cover. Get ready to put that in. There's a better look at the trunk floor that I'll be cutting out probably after I finish assembling the transmission. And over here is our new trunk floor. It'll be going in. And I've been spending the day. I finished stripping all the fenders. Now I'm DAing them down to bare metal. Already got the two front fenders done. They're in really good shape. I mean, they're not perfect, but boy, they're in good shape. Like this one's got, actually the other one does too. It's got some rust around where the side molding was, and this one, it's got stuff a little dent up here. It's going to have to be pulled out. But they are solid fenders. Yeah, it's got a little rust around the side marker gasket too. So yep, that's where we're at now. Let's sneak up on him. Sandblasting at work. Yeah, you can't really see anything. Coming right along. Later. Alright, little end of day video. There's two of the fenders I've stripped and DA'd down. It's bare metal. My brother, he got all the panels welded in, the rockers, the floors. And he was spent a lot of the day grinding down his welds, cleaning them up. There's another fender I've got done, and then he's also been working on the prop shaft cover. Got it sandblasted. He's got weld through primer on it now. He's gonna probably weld that in tomorrow. And then that should be it for the interior, the cockpit. More progress. Like it. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to finish that last fender, and then I'll don the sandblasting suit, and I'll sandblast these areas. I'll sandblast all the edges on the inside, the flanges, etc. And then my brother will pop a coat of epoxy primer on them, where they will wait until it's time for body work. Good stuff. Later.